Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm called West Brighton. So today I'm in Nanyuki, here at Equator. We all know the Equator passes Maseno and Nanyuki. So Nanyuki is in Laikipia County, guys. So you better enjoy this environment and everything around here. So guys, as you can check it out here, we are in Laikipia County. Yeah, so today we're exploring Nanyuki town. Nanyuki town is one of the towns which are located in central parts of Kenya. Here, Nanyuki town is geographically situated on the leeward side of Mt.Kenya. Here, the climate over here more of kind of a semi-arid area and kind of semi-arid area. Yeah, guys. The most dominant communities here in this beautiful town, there are Maasais, we have Kikuyus, we have Samburu, we have a little percentage of Kalenjin community. And Nanyuki town, it also serves as the base of British Army, commonly known as Batuk. They are strategically located here in Nanyuki, and they are also situated over there in Samburu County in a certain place known as Ancho's Post. So guys, this Nanyuki town, yeah, really beautiful town it is. So this is the railway line offices, Kenya railway line offices, as you can check out over here. The climate over here is just, I don't know, I can say, wow, it's just beautiful. Like, just check it out, the skies are really wide open. Yeah, today was really scorching, but due the evening hours, everything gonna be fine. Yeah, guys, so let us enjoy the tour. So we are here, Nanyuki station, railway station. So we are just getting inside Nanyuki town through the main routes. Check it out. Enjoy. Kamile Morang. Kenan. Nani? Damn, guys, let me tell you, yeah, here in the market center, everything y'all were really good. And it was so much unfortunate that I wasn't really planning to buy something over here, but I just had to buy. Just check it out, the tomatoes over here. Yeah, people here are really business women and men. Check it out, they are all flocked here. I don't know what I can say. We have the potatoes, whatever, everything, even the wares you can find in this Nanyuki market is the new market which was opened with the former, with not former, with the current president William Ruto. So check out this the other side of Nanyuki. So we are heading to Nanyuki Stadium. So this route can take you to Nanyuki Stadium. Yeah, I really love the the competence of these locals in this beautiful town. Like most of them, they are so much oriented into business, as you can check out over here. Like you won't find a fellow just sitting in a house, you know what I'm saying, waiting for the miracle. They say in Swahili kujituma, so this is what they do. Yeah, check it out. Wow. And this is where the rich stays. The guy told me if you want to find the rich guys or the rich dude, ladies, this is where they stay. Yeah. Though we don't have shortcuts in life. Yeah. So, but this is where the rich stay here in Nanyuki, guys. Wow. Those are Maasai's, the one I was telling you, the Maasai Samburu. So the guy is just herding the cattle over there. Yeah, we have another. That is another build. That is Batuk, the one I was telling you guys about the British Army base. Yeah, so this is the route that is taking you to British Army base. So you see this one. Let me check it. Let me show you up. So starting from here. Yeah, starting from here. So this is the Army base, British Army base. So you check out that label over here. Yeah, so this is the army base, Nanyuki. Yeah, just check it out. We couldn't get farther over there, so we had just to get back to the town. So we are here at the CBD here in Nanyuki town. We have the Total petrol station. We have Ola. Wow, whatever I can say. We have also we have a mall. I saw a certain mall over here. Yeah, so it's called Nanyuki Mall. Yeah, I saw it. It's called Nanyuki Mall. Yeah, the sun is really scorching. Wow. I'm sweating. I'm sweating for real. All I can say. Yeah, this how it really looks like over here, guys. Check it out. Wow, Kenya is really beautiful. Yeah, you just need to come to Kenya and visit all the towns, all the cities over here. So, guys, here we are. I don't know if this Nika Plateau, because this road is taking you now to Isiolo, guys. Just check it out. Wow, how wonderful Kenya it is. How magnificent everything it is. Let's just check it out. Adventure. It's called Spirit of Adventure. I don't know what I can say. Just check it out. Wow.